Hello. Hello.
Hey guys, I think Ashutosh will be stuck in some other meeting. Maybe we should talk. I've written a text. Let's see. Okay, let's drop. I think. कंप्लीट करेंगे जिससे आपका ये वाला ईमेल।
अच्छा, मतलब 3 दिन लगे थे ना तुम्हारे भी?
हाँ 3 दिन लगे।
उनका ये था कि इस प्रोसेस से ना तुम जल्दी से अनलिंक कर लोगी अपना।
हाँ, अनलिंक तो हम खुद ही करेंगे ना।
कैसे करेंगे?
ये जैसे स्टेप बाय स्टेप वही तो है ना।
एक तो अभिषेक का मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा, पता है तुम्हें, इतनी चीजें चेंज करा रहे हैं, मतलब हर चीज। यार अगर हम छोटी छोटी चीजें हम काम करके देंगे तो हमें टाइम कब मिलेगा जीरा कार्ड्स करने का?
वही तो है।
मेरे को एक चीज है, या तो उतने बंदे हायर कर।
मोनिका ये तो मुझे बोल रहे नहीं, अब सूरज भाई काम करेगा, निशान को सपोर्ट करेगा। हाँ ठीक है भाई,
ठीक है निशान को करने को मैं तो मना कर दूंगी। अब अगर मुझे कुछ बोलेंगे ना मैं कह दूंगी निकाल दूंगी। मैंने सीधा सोच रखा है, ज्यादा बड़बड़ करेंगे निकाल दूंगी, जाओ करवा दो।
बहुत ज्यादा
बंदा अगर लीव पर चला गया इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी ना है कि यार किसी को जरूरत है लीव की, अगर बंदा लीव नहीं देगा तो क्या मतलब है? तुम उसका पत्ते काट दो काम से। और ऐसा तो नहीं, एक चीज बताओ, 9 महीने हो गए मुझे बिल्डिंग में काम करते हैं, आई थिंक हो रहे होंगे, मई से कर रहे हैं। कभी सुना है कि ज्यादा प्रोडक्शन के बारे में कभी डिस्कशन सुने? अगर इनकेस कभी आ भी गया, मैं नहीं कह रही कि नहीं आया है, तो ये कंट्रोल चेक करा है उन्होंने मुझसे कहते मैं तो हो जाएगा तो कहते वो मेरा काम है, मैं करवा दूंगी, मुझे पता है तो तुम पकड़ोगे।
उस टाइम वो भी छुट्टी पे गया था ना एक्चुअली में, उसकी वजह से उसने गया।
सूरज भी गया था, फिर बीच में सूरज आ गया, मैं
बाकी क्या मोनिका कब तक हो घर से? अब
इस हफ्ते और घर से अगले हफ्ते ऑफिस पहुंच जाऊंगी मैं भी।
बुलाने मेरे को आपने शादी, मैं याद रखूंगी ये चीज। बुरा लगा मैं।
सॉरी मैं तुम्हारा नाम मिस हो गया मेरे से, लिटरली सॉरी यार। बिलीव मी, मुझे मैं मेल चेक मैंने मतलब सोचा कि वो रह ना जाए। आई एम लिटरली सॉरी यार, लिटरली सॉरी। आई माय बैड। नहीं मुझे एहसास हो रहा है मैंने एक्चुअली पता है क्या, मैं बहुत फंसी हुई तो मैंने मेल में सबको, मुझे लगा मैंने सबको ऐड कर दिया।
Yes. Hello.
हेलो
Hello. Renu, were other people there in the meeting? I'm joining a little bit late here.
Yeah, Ashutosh, me, Abhishek, Monica, and Ashish Ravish also in meeting. Also Sunjata.
Okay, I'm going to reschedule this, guys. Sorry, I overshot my previous meeting. I'll reschedule this. Thank you. Bye.
Hello. Hello. The intakes come also at 10 o'clock. Say it again, can you? I'm saying I have also a meeting, intakes from meeting at this time. Skip it today. Ask them that they will join later. I really need this. Ask them to record it and have it ready. Or, document it. You can just transcript it and copy paste and see what is on your tip.
Madhu, I'm going in basement, so I will join back within 5 or 6 minutes from now.
Yeah, sure. We'll wait.
Hi, Dhami.
Oh, only ladies here now. Are you guys in office or you are remote today? I'm on remote today. I will join office on 13th March. Oh, nice. Okay. I'm in office. Good friend. Shivangi. Okay. Nilima, Sujata, remote. Manik, project. Okay. Let's give a couple of minutes for team to join.
हेलो कैसे हो?
Who else is missing in the call? Rajan, Akash, Nishan said he'll join and sometime. Suraj is off today. Is Suraj off today? No, I don't know. No? Abhishek is Suraj off today? Abhishek, do you have visibility on Suraj?
No, I don't know. There's a process right on the calendar and status must be updated. If it's not there, we don't know.
I just asked, do you know that he's working? Because it's not on the calendar, of course, I checked that first, right?
Then again, it should be right. I don't know why he's not in the call.
Nilima, your status still shows out of office. Can you please fix it? What? Okay.
प्लेटफॉर्म से सब कहते हैं
Suraj, are you on leave today? Suraj, can you please unmute and talk? Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, Madhu, we can hear you.
Suraj, can you hear me?
Yes, no.
Okay, so are you on leave today?
No.
Can you please come online? Your status says offline.
Okay.
Okay. We already wasted 5 minutes on this, so let me quickly share my screen. Okay, we have discussed this multiple times, but let's see and review the hotfix. So let me take only story. Story type. Exclude story. Okay, so no QA P0 fix for handling hash step shipment in script. Okay, why was it? This is a QA script to written. Okay. So this is done. Target ISF. We need either Nishant, right? He said he'll join. Sujata, you or Nishant was talking. update the RCA?
Nishant will update. Although I'm not aware of this one, so.
Okay, so if, Abhishek, why was this not updated and why you did not follow up on this?
Sorry, which was not followed up.
Target ISF response RCA, QAT RCA.
I followed. I haven't
Hello?
I did not get any update on that. I'm audible?
Yeah.
Okay, so Madhu, I'm waiting for response for 38 records, and this is one of them. If you check the
How do
comment,
you
it's
follow?
there.
No, how do you follow? How do you follow, Abhishek? You all are in office. You go to no. You all are in the office. You do guys collaborate, and I've been asking from maybe 3 weeks, right? So how do we collaborate? I mean, I really want to understand. You don't have to tag people, right? You don't have to tag people. Just ask them to update it by end of day. So do they say no, or why doesn't
I
happen
told them
on time?
that is percentage of why it was not done.
Okay. What was the update on this one? Target. I need you guys to talk. So I need to understand why it was not done. Deployed on second March.
I think we need for Nishant Madhu. He can answer that why it was not done.
Okay. We discuss this every day, Abhishek, but you have to follow up at the end of the day, right?
I
The
did,
whole
and
team.
we are still following up here. He's not available, right? Can we check on other G records, Madhu? The other team members are here.
No, let's go one by one. And your answers are definitely not helping. Okay? So I'm really sorry to say, but if team is not responding, you have an escalation point, right? It's for everybody. It's not only for Sujata.
Yes.
You said you're not responsible for this because may I know the reason? Target ISF you did not know, you said, right?
Yeah. And even engineers, if I'm not aware of that pattern, so it does not come in that means whatever I test, right, it does not come into that. So
Who is responsible for ISF? I mean, in terms of, I see that in the regression cycle too. Who works on ISF? That means what is ISF and why are we not testing target ISF? ISF is ISF, right?
yeah.
So who is responsible for that?
So Madhu, it's come into the intake also. But for now, Neha was working on this. So from this release, Monica will work on the nice.
So you will take care of all the ISF, engine ISF and target ISF.
Not target ISF. I'm just saying about the ISF because this issue also, I mean, similar with the engine ISF, right, Neha? You were saying about that in large release.
So who will test the target ISF part? Why is no one taking the responsibility here?
Target ISF will be covered by Nishant, I guess.
Okay, the reason being? Because it's target?
Yeah.
See, I mean, okay, you just have to check the request and response and the SFTP connectivity. Why don't one person take the complete responsibility and test end-to-end or kind of automate it? Why do we need two different owners for that? I'm just proposing it. Renu?
Yeah, madam.
So, if you have any questions in terms of uh, understanding the requirement, it's pretty straightforward. You have a standard A record, C record, and whatever comes, it just falls in one folder, CDP, goes back. All that you have to check is the connectivity falls under SFTP logger and goes back inbound and outbound. We don't even touch it.
Yeah, then let's connect with Nishant about this first.
Okay, okay, perfect. Okay, move on to the next one. Oh, yeah. Unable to see the time shipment in pre-processing. Renu, you added
was
it. It's
also
by
raised by
during
me.
the testing. Okay. Developer did not update it. Okay. Revert key and documentation convert services book service. Why was this reverted? Why document converter service? Okay, this was a deployment. They have to revert it because there were like lot of issues reported during that time in production. So were you able to see the same issue in QAT environment too, Renu? So he made some changes during production and he had to revert it.
At that time, we don't have any issues regarding this or revert. I mean, after revert, but yeah, some issues found like extraction or something else. So I raised it.
Okay. Yeah, can you please add that whatever issue you reported during it was reported in QAT too. And it was intermittent issue in QAT also. Between one of the sign off document also.
Your voice is breaking. Am I the only one thinking having the problem?
Facing
or
the same issue.
Facing same issue, I thought I have some connection issue.
So you guys cannot hear me?
Most of the time your voice is not understandable and not you are not able to hear.
Wait, let me join back. Okay, can you please hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. Sharing my screen again. Verify as response files. I think this was for all the issues, and I don't think it's only Nishant. Well, let me just leave this ISF. Entry packets not getting
Nishant is here.
SL.
Yes, sir.
Where?
Yeah, in the in the meeting room.
Okay. Nishant,
Yes.
I do not understand what is the reason
Your voice
not adding RCA in this.
Entry packet not going with email.
Not entry packet, target ISF. Target
Okay,
identify ISF response.
Okay, that was the JDK issue.
No, this was not a JTK issue. I mean, even if it is a JDK issue, we did not test this. I need the QA/RCA. I have been following up it in multiple calls from past 10.
Share that Jira in the chat.
I'm not sharing anything. It's shared multiple times.
Okay. 66545.
I'm not sharing. It's multiple times. I have tagged it for all of you to update the RCA. Yet I don't get the response. And now, Abhishek, question to you. Where did you ask Nishant and how did you follow up? Even now, Nishant is also in the call.
On the Guardian channel.
So, Nishant, what does Nishant say? I mean, Nishant.
Question to everyone, not only Nishant, right? Guys, again, what Madhu is asking from me. I have asked you to provide me the link. The question for all of you, why it was not done. We will talk about those commands later on. Renu, Sujata, I think all the Jira cards most related to ops and anti-filing. Question for you, why it was not done yesterday?
Yes, QA velocity code, right? Whatever the prod issues I was seeing there, I have already updated the comment or the.
I have seen the comments, Sujata. Again, I have seen the comments on the board itself. What was not done, that the QARC section was empty. You know, right? Is it a new information for anyone that QARC section need to be updated? If there is a question, why did you ask?
So if it's an intermittent issue or something like that, I don't know why it is happening. What RCA do I need to give you? For example, timeout. Just let me complete, right? If there are, I think, two issues that are for the 504 and request timeout. So, what RCA do you want from me for that?
I just need one word. 504 is there. I need to link all the intermittent issue with the single bug that we are seeing this every day. Yes,
we can.
Okay, hold on. Sujata, hold on. If you do not know the RCA, that means we cannot fix it and will not have a mitigation problem, for that particular issue. Okay, in that case, discuss how many times we have discussed. It's not on one person. The whole environment had multiple issues last release. It must be discussed. Check the logs. If you're not able to, you don't have an access, check with DevOps. They will provide you the access. Try to find the root cause, and it should not only be Sujata, or it can be anybody. Help each other to resolve the issue.
The question we had asked, if they have concerns, right? Why they have not reached out to us? We have a solution for that. We could schedule the meeting. The question is still the same.
I understand that, but from now on, let's include Hanifa and Nishant also, right? Let's include Nishant and Hanifa also to test the production issues and provide the RCA. Because
I get this part, right? But we must have this discussion. You should have raised this point, right? I never tried this factor, but you are just telling me right now.
Abhishek, let's not finger point here.
I'm not finger pointing, Madhu. You have asked a question. I have asked him. I'm just asking questions why it was not done. The same way you have asked me. I'm reaching out to my team. I'm telling them to do it, right?
It has to happen on everyday basis, Abhishek.
It's happening.
Not in the call.
We are having this work for the same reason. In every scrum, we are discussing the same. Now, team is raising concerns during the meeting. That the question will be asked. Why now? Why didn't you reach out to me? Where this communication? Again, your factor. What are your factors, right? Do you have a different queries question?
Abhishek, do not take names. It's a team effort.
Okay.
Abhishek, if
Okay,
No.
I can help, right? If
You guys have to stop when you have to stop. Let me finish. It's a team effort. This task is not done from past 3 weeks and we have passed the release. Okay? We decided that from entry filing, it's not only Sujata, we have multiple team members. It should be a collaborative teamwork to add the RCA and find out why it happened and how it should not happen again. Let's all work as a team. I do not want to see people team members not taking responsibility in your area. And if you are more than one person working on that area, discuss who has to update the RCA collaborative. Make sure it's a team event. Update the RCA. Going forward, if the RCA is not updated, hotfix will not be pushed, and it should be a valid RCA. I don't want to follow up multiple times with anybody. Each one of you are leads in terms of what I think. All of you are leads in your own area. Take ownership. End of the day, add a list of things. Few days you have few issues to resolve, and few days you have more issues to resolve. Take ownership, resolve. Any questions? Questions, concerns? I want this group to act and work as a team and be proactive.
Let it
I
be
don't
in
want
this way, right, Madhu? Right? Means whoever is testing the hotfix, right? That team member should update the RCA. Whoever is trying to replicate
They
it,
might
yeah.
not even know the reason, Sujata. So they might not even know why it is causing, because they're testing it because they're available. But why it is happening? How do I make sure it doesn't happen again? Next release or going forward? That should be a team effort. Maybe I don't understand what you already understand. Right?
But whoever is working in that particular panel, right? Those will be responsible for testing. So they should have no.
I really don't care who updates that particular field in Jira. Why it happened, get it verified, cross check among team members, update it in the Jira. Should be a team effort. Maybe Suraj knows more than what I'm testing, and I just go by the steps and I test it. And Suraj can correct me that, okay, check this, this is causing because of that. In next regression, we will add these steps so that it doesn't happen again.
Okay, so I have one more question. Like when RC needs to be updated, it's in dev requested, or once QA done with the validation, then RC needs to be updated. Because until and unless we don't test, right, or we find out, there is no way that we can update the RC.
So first of all, the RCA is something already broken in production, right? As soon as it comes into our bucket, first thing is what we have to do is we have to start checking why it happened, because we are fixing things in production other than the stories. Bug fixes are regression issues. So as soon as the issue is reported, and production issue, that's what Winkle is posting it in the channel, right? As soon as it comes in QA, production issues are reported every day. First thing, I go check why it happened. If this is my area, I'll proactively go check why it's happening and how did I miss it. If I have the root cause, I will add it, then maybe it's happening because of so and so reason, and I will make sure this doesn't happen. This regression area was not tested during the previous cycle. That's why the issue was caused, or a last minute PR came and broke this functionality, or whatever it is. We all should be confident on our module. Okay, so I don't expect it from like one. Say Monica has bandwidth, and she says, she goes and checks, okay, RCA is not updated for so and so. So Monica can follow up too. Like, why do I have to follow? Why do someone has to tell you that this is your job, do it? Check. You have a list of check. I have to go through this also. I have a checklist what you have to do it every day. It should be part of your daily task. Daily triage, yeah, you should be involved in daily triage, production reported issue. Review the production reported issue. Hotfix clarity. You must ask in your Scrum team if they have any hotfix planned. If yes, update in this group that this is a hotfix, I'm working on it. Scenario level test case writing. If there is a new story, new feature going live like SSO, add the scenario level testing. Not to take names, but Nilema updated the RCA. So the RCA updated as user login details table was present in QAT, but it's not in production. No, this is there in production from a very long time, 3 years. So leads should review this. It's not just, and add the mitigation plan. What are we doing to make sure it's working in production? Getting the field updated is not only the task, you have to even review it. And here I'm having difficulty making the team join the meeting on time. Please take it seriously. Please be proactive and take ownership of everything. I do not encourage finger pointing. I do not encourage multiple follow-ups. I want each one of you to take ownership on your own module. That's what I'm expecting from this team. If you have any questions, concerns, or having difficulty, follow this, please do let me know. You can schedule a one-on-one call with me anytime. Okay? Yeah, I think we have to join the other call. I'll review this within 1 hour. Please make sure you update the RCA today, first half. And I expect the leads to review it.
Madhu, I have one question.
Yes, Suraj.
In last release, Rajan Sardana and Monica did the regression for Bill. Then who will give the RCA for that reference?
Suraj, I was on leave from last 3 weeks. Rajan was
And
available at that.
sign up was not given on, if anything breaks, sign off was not given on billing last time.
Madhu, I was on leave from the 16 Feb. So
I
think-
understand.
Yeah, and Rajan was available on that time, so he can provide.
I can update the RCA.
Rajan, this call was scheduled at 9:30, and I expect you guys to join on time.
Yeah, Madhu, I'm very sorry for that.
Okay. Let's join the next call, guys. Thanks.
लेकिन तेरे को शेयर करनी पड़ेगी। Good morning. I don't know यार ये इसका जैसे ये कर दिया है ना ये डुप्लीकेट
इसमें कैमरा भी हो जाएगा
नहीं उसके लिए उससे करना पड़ेगा ना।
जब पाइल वाली लाइट को चलाया
Good evening, Madhu. Do you like to start?
Now go ahead, you start.
Okay, thank you. Watching my screen. Okay, we have cards in QAD, testing blocked everywhere. Any question, concern, guys? I think it's already been decided who's working on that part, right? There's one more thing. You can go to the production incident. We just had a meeting. Please ensure everything should be updated on those Jira cards. This is the link, right? I have provided. Just add. I think we are also tracking the 26.1.4 as well, right? All of the code fixes. Check QA or CA. It's the Jira cards. The count is very high.
Why are we testing 26.1.4? 1.5?
1.5. These
We
are
are
the
in
incident.
1.5. We are in 1.5, right?
We are, yes.
Okay.
Please do. So there are 38 Jira cards I can see the production incidents being reported, right? And these are the Jira cards in which QARC is missing. So there's a message to you guys that please update those the QARC part. One thing, right? I need to highlight with you, right? Production issues. We need to perform the start saying no in your scrums. If you are not okay, it means you are not okay. Okay, I don't care who's saying what. If you are not okay for the testing, for the delivery, capture all the things in return. If someone is saying that we have to go to the delivery with MVP product, capture all those things in the same way that we are going with the MVP. So issues will be there with the features. Okay, every issue what you are monitoring should be captured in the same way. If you are seeing intermittent issue, please ensure Jira card will be there for a bug. All the bugs should be listed in features itself. Whenever we are going for a feature, a list of bugs related to that particular feature must be captured in your sign-off. That these are the issues. The reason I'm saying so, there is a heat we had with Ashutosh yesterday. There were 7 issues we reported, and 5 is something we had already reported with the features, right? That's something we were aware about. The only thing what was missing that particular portion and feature sign-off was missing. We had those details. It will be easy communication for us that we told you that this will be the scenario, and you have asked to provide the KB of a MVP product, not the complete quality product on the production, right? These are 2 different statements. One, we are giving delivery. Second, we are giving the quality delivery. What we are doing right now, we are quality making, like we are controlling the quality, but not assuring it. And there are multiple factors. We all know that, right? There are multiple peers, but you are merging post-code freeze with exceptions, right? All the exceptions obviously taken by the management side, and the question already also been asked by the management that why it's happening. So monitor those parts, have those discussions that you're not okay for many things in terms of maintaining quality. That's all. Any question concerning that? Now QRC is very critical part. The issues what you are seeing here, right? I think if you have any questions, concerns, doubt, just do let me know that you are facing some challenges, intermittent issue. Is there some discussion I need to do in your scrum? I'm okay to do it. but please ensure the bug should be captured. Should not be obsolete. If you are seeing something in QAT, there must be a bug and you have to fight for it. That you are seeing that particular bug. You are not okay with that.
Abhishek, I have one question.
Yes, sure.
Yeah, so is there any specific related to probably what, like document specific or data specific or any API like Cloud Mercy? So it's a fraud related issues and I don't have any idea about that.
Capture it in a bug. Have a discussion with developer.
So
What's
no,
the
no,
intent?
what will be the QRCA for that or?
You need only single bug in that, right? We can have a discussion.